Children of class 6, today we are going to a video which will demonstrate how to configure the mouse. First of all, let me make you to understand what is configuration. By configuring the mouse, by this word configuring the mouse, what do I mean? I mean that I am going to make changes in the way we use the mouse. For example, we can change pointers type. Mouse pointer, you know, the pointer which is moving on the screen when we move the mouse. So pointer type we will change the movement. How quickly the movement of mouse takes place on the screen. That means how quickly the mouse pointer moves. And then we will change double click speed. Double click speed we will change. How to change the speed by which we make the mouse to click double. That means when we click double the mouse 2 times, what is the speed? By which speed we should click 2 times so that we can open any document or any file. Now pointer type, what is the pointer type? Pointer type represents the shape of the mouse. Shape of them. So you know when you are moving the mouse, it can be in the form of arrow, it can be in the form of circle. When the mouse is clicked and when this file is going to open, then the mouse is taking the processing shape and it can be a circular shape. So it is the pointer type. Then movement speed. What is movement speed? Movement speed means the speed by which the mouse pointer moves on the screen. That means that speed which is taken by the mouse when it is moving on the screen, on any computer screen, in any file or in any document or on desktop, wherever it is. Then double click speed. What do you mean by double click speed? Double click speed means how quickly we are processing the mouse button twice. Okay, that means when we press the mouse button twice, by which speed, what is the speed at which we can press the double click of the mouse, that is known as double click speed. So the more the double click speed, the faster we have to press the mouse button. If we are keeping the mouse double click speed faster in the settings of the control panel, then whenever we have to double click, we have to double click very quickly. Then there are pointer trials. What are pointer trials? Pointer trials are the animated trials. You know, when there is processing takes place in the computer to open a file, our mouse is accompanied by a circle in Windows 10 or even in Windows 8 operating system. That circular ring is rotating. That means those are mouse trials. Just now I will perform some of this demo on this. I will show you practically where are the mouse trials, where is double click speed. So first of all, I made you to explain these definitions of these very much things. So what is the fun of the pointer trial? What is the advantage? What is the benefit of the pointer trial is that it is easy when there is pointer trial on the screen. It is easy to see the mouse when it is in motion. When the mouse is in motion, it is easy to see it. Now to make the changes in mouse settings, I will demonstrate it practically. Now we have the control panel window. It is just opened already. And we are going to an option which is hardware and sound. Just see where my pointer is. And then we are going to devices and printers. You are seeing mouse there. Click it. Okay. Now we have mouse settings. First of all, what we will change? We will go for pointers. Pointer options. Pointer options you are seeing here is the normal select, then there is help. Now you see there is normal selector, then there is help selector, working in background, busy, precision selector. That means you are seeing different shapes of these mouses. First is simple arrow, another is arrow with question mark, third is a circular ring of blue color, and fourth is also a circular ring but it is bigger. Okay, so these are the different pointer shapes. So we can select any of the shape. Let us select the second one. Okay, and then okay, So you are seeing many options here. In fact, you should remember one thing: don't go for changing the options of these mouse, because default setting of the mouse is very much suitable in every type of computer or system. Still you can see this help select is there, working in background is there, busy is there, precision is there, and if we this scroll bar, we scroll this scroll bar, you are seeing many more options there. Okay, I am confronting with some problem. I am not able to apply these mouse pointers, but you can try it at home in your system. You can change the mouse pointer, but after some time you will go back to the original, that means default pointer. And now we are going to pointer options. Pointer options is working here. This is pointer options. Okay, first there is select a pointer speed, the speed at which our mouse pointer moves. So we can make it less or we can increase it. So we can select a pointer speed and we can make it slow or fast. You are seeing on left side there is slow and on right side there is fast. And number 2, we can go for display pointer trials. Pointer trial is the extra picture. You see, when we are moving the mouse on this screen, this is the trial. These very much number of arrows which we are moving with the mouse arrow, these are the trials. So making it disable again, we will disable it. That means uncheck there. The tick has gone, so we have our original mouse pointer. So these were the sum of the mouse pointer settings. Please try for this. The children who have computer facility at home, they will try to change these settings, but immediately after changing the settings they will revert back to the original settings of the mouse, because they are very much accurate and suitable for your work. Thank you very much.